cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face.
Morning team, welcome back to another episode here on Dreamscape Automotive. So as you can tell, still quite cold and windy here in Scotland based on the clobber that I've got on today. So we're back at our favourite place and I'm starting my coverage properly for the year of Knockhill Racing Circuit, right? So we've got an exciting day today, 4-hour open pit. I'm not running a car because I am going to be the spectator and the video guy because there's a lot of exciting cars here today. Some of the boys, some new people that I've met. I'm going to get some passenger laps in some of the cars. The next clips right after this is going to be some exciting cars that have literally just been purchased and are coming to Knockhill for the first time. So if you want to spend another day at Knockhill seeing some of the more new and exciting cars that are coming to Knockhill for 2026, hit like, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next clips. Wait till you see this first car and the next one. Let's go. It's really windy, so the microphone's going to be really difficult, so I'm going to let the cars do the talking, right? Check this. Right, I'm kneeling down here to try and stay out the wind, right, but this is a newly purchased Audi RS3 8Y model TCR car that's literally just been purchased and is coming to this track day here, and it's really, really exciting. So these cars I seen at the Nürburgring, and if you pop back a few videos on the channel you'll see them, but these were running in the NLS race that we've seen at the Nürburgring, and they looked absolutely wild. So to see one in the flesh now with the Le Mans style wide body kit and all that on it, it's just different gravy. And one of my good mates actually introduced me to the owner of this car, so I have already secured a passenger lap in this. So if you want to see that and you want to see this thing going nuts on Knockhill, stay tuned for the next clips. But there's some more people that I need to go and speak to, so let's get cracking. But my god, what a car. Air jacks, that's the way to do it. Right, I'm again trying to avoid the wind here by going in between cars and stuff, but in this white truck here is another TCR. This is I think it's a Gen 2 Cupra, but I'll get videos better when it comes out, but you can see here. So when he unloads it, I'll make sure I'm standing here. The wind died down a wee touch, so I'm going to get some videos of some of the other cars in the paddock. This M4 here, so if you go back to the previous video on the channel where me and Kev were out in his M2 on Knockhill, this blue M4 was right in front of us the whole time that we were out for the last laps, and this is it in the flesh. So as you can see, kind of starting to get Club Sport built, but it's got a half cage, pole positions, show-off harnesses, all the tasty bits. Very nice car. Right, so next car that we're going for a passenger lap in is my mate Jammy's K20 FN2 Civic Type R. supercharged, right? So this is 406 horsepower. An interesting car, and it absolutely flies. You'll hear it when we're out there. But let's get some videos of it now. Right, so we're going out in the Civic. I've been waiting to get in this, but the setup is just finished. So big Jammy boy's taking me out. Let's go, bro. Yep. So what are we now? 406, just 406 horsepower. So this is a Rotex supercharged. Is this a K20 engine?
K20.
K20. And this is a, what shape of Civic is this? An
FN2.
An FN2. So this is a kind of...
everybody doesn't like.
Aye, the kind of spaceshipy looking one. So a few laps in this, and then hopefully the TCR car will be next. So let's go. See when I'm dead quiet, mate? It's because you know I'm focused on hanging on. enjoying, and I'm going to call that the end of the day. So I just want to, as always, extend a special thanks to the drivers that give me the experiences that I get, because they don't have to take me out, but there's a lot of friends, and I can always speak to them and introduce myself. So huge thanks to all of the drivers that took me out today. The channel would not be building what it is without drivers welcoming me into their vehicles. I will say that TCR RS3 is a very, very special bit of kit. Obviously it's completely designed for this, so I'm going to call it a day there because it's 10 to 3 and we need to get home. So thanks for watching, and as always, if you're enjoying everything here on Dreamscape and you want to follow on for the journey, always hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop us a comment, let us know what you want to see next. Thank you very much, see you next time.
Cut to the chase, everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace.